In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink OneDrive from your PC. This simple yet effective process will put you in full control of your cloud storage, ensuring your files reside exactly where you want them to be. To begin, you'll want to open the OneDrive app on your desktop or laptop. This might seem straightforward, but it's a crucial first step. You might have OneDrive pinned to your taskbar, or you may need to search for it. If it's already running, you'll usually see its cloud icon in the lower right corner of your screen, within the notification area. A quick click there, and you're on your way to managing your OneDrive settings. Now that you've accessed the OneDrive app, it's time to locate the Sync and Backup option. Often this requires a click on the Help and Settings icon, which is typically found at the bottom right of the OneDrive window. Once you find Sync and Backup, navigate to Manage Backup. This area provides insights into what folders are currently being synced and backed up, usually including your desktop, pictures, and documents folders. At this point, you'll want to click on Account. You should find it easily, often located at the top of the window or within a Settings or Preferences menu. In this section, you can manage connected accounts and view the email address linked with your OneDrive. This next step is crucial, so ensure you're ready to proceed. Click on Unlink this PC. By making this selection, you're initiating the detachment process, instructing OneDrive to cease syncing with this particular computer. This action doesn't delete your files from OneDrive Online, it only stops syncing them with your PC moving forward. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking Unlink Account. This verification step ensures the change wasn't accidental. Think of it as your final checkpoint before the changes take effect. Once you've unlinked your account, OneDrive will no longer sync your files. However, any files that were synced up to the point of unlinking will remain on your PC. They're still accessible, they simply won't update on OneDrive anymore. It's like capturing a snapshot in time. Everything as it is right now stays, but new changes won't reflect in OneDrive. Here's a pro tip: if you're unlinking OneDrive because you're moving to a new cloud service, ensure you've transferred all necessary files to the new service before proceeding. This could also be a great opportunity to sift through your files and declutter digitally. After unlinking, you may want to remove the OneDrive folder from your PC to clear out space. Remember, doing so deletes those files from your PC, so ensure they're backed up elsewhere if needed. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully unlinked OneDrive from your PC. It's a straightforward process that gives you control over your files and where they're stored. Whether you're troubleshooting, decluttering, or shifting to another cloud service, knowing how to unlink OneDrive is an invaluable skill for your digital toolkit. I hope this guide was helpful. Remember, even after unlinking, your OneDrive files remain accessible online, so you can always get what you need when you need it, just no longer directly through your PC's file system.